A proper cleaning protocol guarantees that there is no in-excess energy demand, prevents wear on machinery and moving parts, especially belt links and pins, and of course helps maintaining the asepsis levels inside facilities by reducing germs load on those surfaces. A frequent common cause of dirt accumulation on the conveyors takes place when lubrication products are mixed with dust, dirt, and spilled drink residues when some of the containers break while in movement. This is known as biomass. Those generally tend to accumulate in hard-to-reach places, under the conveyor belts or within the pins holding the links. Another serious problem caused by biomass is a bad smell generated by its fermentation, and the fact that this residue becomes a breeding ground to growth microorganisms and bacteria, impacting the innocuousness on the area. Crystal Simple Green, when applied with an industrial foaming system, adheres to surfaces, and due to its fast action technology, it penetrates in between the residues, breaking down organic chains and progressively reducing its size, facilitating the scrubbing and dirt or biomass removal, while reducing the amount of water required for rinsing. The foam helps the product to penetrate on difficult-to-reach areas with limited access, especially underneath the transports, loosening the residues and then removing them with a proper rinse. This helps recover proper lubrication on all moving elements. It is always a good practice to apply the product while conveyor belts are running. This makes cleaning easier and allows by product action biomass buildups to drop and fall by gravity. Due to its ecological and health safety characteristics, the product can be used in and around any surface that has direct contact with food, followed by an adequate rinsing process. Like other Simple Green products, Crystal is a contact product, so it is always good to allow as much contact time as possible with the surface. 3 to 5 minutes contact time can be enough for the product to penetrate and work on all the residues. An entire transport system biomass-free, without smelly organic fermented odors, increasing consequently production safety and asepsis in general. Completely clean and shiny transport systems, without phosphate or caustic residues on surfaces, preventing material degradation, clean moving parts without any obstructions so that lubrication becomes efficient in all moving parts and mechanisms.